psi, normal maximum operating pressure for the 9mm round. Using the polymer base, the Glock 17 became such a cost-effective candidate, and in 1982, after passing all the exhaustive endurance testing and abuse tests, Glock emerged as the winner. The handgun was adopted into service with the Austrian military and law enforcement in 1982, and with an initial order of 25,000 firearms to be manufactured. It outperformed 8 different pistols from 5 other established manufacturers: Heckler & Koch, Sig, Beretta, High Power, Browning, Steyr. Glock came out victorious with no experience in firearms.